Intuitive Machines' revenue declined year over year, however. They reported a positive free cash flow, which was unexpected. The company also sees potential opportunities arising from new government initiatives. Intuitive Machines is focused on delivering payloads, data transmission, and space infrastructure with a concentration on the moon. CEO Steve Altemus sees opportunities for growth and diversification in areas such as national security space and other non-lunar domains, positioning the company as a broader infrastructure and data services provider across the space economy. Steve Altemus also emphasized the importance of execution as they anticipate changes in how the federal government acquires emerging technologies and services, promoting private sector innovation and long-term value. So far, the company completed the preliminary design review of its Lunar Terrain Vehicle Services, LTVS, in May, incorporating feedback from astronaut assessment, expanding capabilities to meet NASA's RFP and award in 2025, with autonomous driving integration and a 16G simulator for engineering validation. They were awarded a NASA contract in January under Next Space Technologies for Exploration Partnership, Next Step 2, supporting NASA's Moon to Mars architecture to advance lunar surface logistics. The company executed 2 milestones for NASA's Near Space Network Services, NSNS contract, receiving additional funding of $18 million for the next 2 milestones. They also landed a second lunar mission on the South Pole region of the Moon and accomplished payload testing of 3 Jet Propulsion Laboratory-developed rovers for IM-3. On top of that, the company was granted $10 million from the Texas Space Commission's Space Exploration and Research Fund to develop an Earth re-entry vehicle and microgravity research lab, which is expected to serve as key architecture for future Moon and Mars sample return missions. Intuitive Machines also performed the first phase of the Air Force Research Laboratory's JETSON contract, which is a low-power nuclear electric propulsion program designed to enable stealth-like satellites. They anticipate exercising the follow-on option later this year. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.